In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin user to Calendly. To get started, sign in to your Calendly account using an account that already has the right level of access. In most cases, this means you'll need to be the account owner or an existing administrator. If you don't have those permissions, you may not see the settings needed to manage users and roles, so it's important to begin with the correct account. Once you're logged in, go to the Admin Center and then select Users. This is the area where you can manage the people connected to your Calendly organization, including sending invitations and assigning roles. From the User section, click Invite User. This opens the invitation flow, where you can add a new person to the account. In the field labeled Add Emails you want to invite, type the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure the address is entered correctly, since the invitation will be sent there and the user will need access to that inbox to continue. You may also see an option to choose a group from the Select a Group for them to join dropdown. This step is optional, but it can be helpful if your organization uses groups to keep teams organized. If you already know which group this person belongs to, go ahead and select it. If not, you can leave it as is and continue. Next, click Next, Set Roles. On the following screen, find the email address of the person you just invited in the Set Roles section. This is where you decide what level of access they'll have in Calendly. Open the role dropdown next to their email address and change the role from user to admin. Before you finish, take a moment to review everything carefully. Confirm that the correct email address is listed and that the assigned role is set to admin. This quick review helps prevent mistakes, especially when you're giving someone elevated access. When everything looks right, complete the invitation process. Calendly will then send an invitation email to the user. After that, ask the person to open their email and accept the invitation. They'll need to complete that step before they can fully access the account as an admin. Finally, return to the users list and verify that the person appears there with the admin role. This confirms that the invitation and role assignment were completed successfully. Thanks for watching.